Welcome to Finance Explainer. For the next couple of hours, we'll be talking about finance in a language that you understand. Why is it essential to understand finance? First, let's have a look at business. Business is all about making a product and selling it to the market with the aim of making a profit. So the main goal of any business is profit. To reach this goal, a company hires managers of various backgrounds: marketing, sales, production, HR, technology, and so on. But if these managers are not financially literate, they won't know how their actions contribute to a company's profit, and they'll make decisions which are not linked to the company goal. Once the managers become financially literate, they can actually make well-informed economic decisions. It will help the company avoid losing money from making wrong decisions, because the managers will be able to understand which projects are contributing to the company's profit and which are not. There is no need to waste time explaining the financial consequences of their decisions. The communication process within the company becomes more fluid and business-oriented. As a result, the company that has a financially savvy team will reach its goal faster and will lead the competition. If you're a business owner, you probably already know what revenue and profit means, but deeper knowledge of other components of the financial statement, financial analysis techniques, and understanding the budgeting process would be key business tools in your arsenal. You could understand how your business is performing, where problems might occur, and more importantly, what you need to do to have a healthy and profitable business. What are the benefits of managers being financially literate? It will give him or her a better understanding of the company's financial statement. The manager will be able to understand the numbers in it and what the numbers mean. It will give the manager a more complete picture about the company he or she works for. Is this company profitable? How does it perform compared to its rivals? The manager will know the link between the company's goals and his department's objectives. He or she will be able to make informed decisions weighing benefits against costs. And as a result, the manager will understand the financial effect of these decisions.